Hi, this is Dylan Cox with Sherlock Home Inspections. Our phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address is yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is May 6, 2019, and the address where we are inspecting today is 16015 Southwest Blackbird Drive, Beaverton, Oregon. 9 of the property's main sewer line through the side yard exterior cleanout. We are in 3-inch ABS. Here we go. The half bathroom sink on the main floor to ensure this pipe is watertight and remains watertight throughout this inspection. After about 8 feet, we're going to dive straight down in elevation. And as we get down to the bottom of this dive, it's not uncommon to see a little bit of standing water, as sometimes it's a little bit hard to keep the pitch going. It looks like they did a really good job. Everything is still properly pitched. And also, after about 16 feet, we are going to transition into a PVC material pipe. Everything so far has appeared to be properly pitched. There's been no offsets or separations or tree roots. Right here about 28, just a slight like foot area of slowdown. This 35 feet. And it looks like we do have some decent buildup on the sides of this pipe. It looks like we're battling this piece of debris here as we move forward through this inspection. And there's a city sewer connection right here at, we'll say, 53 feet. So we started in a 3-inch ABS, we transitioned into a 4-inch PVC material pipe, and we entered the city sewer here at 53 feet. Overall condition of the pipe looks pretty good and passes inspection. However, due to the slight debris buildup and causing a little bit of slowdown in the pipe, it would be recommended to maybe perform a preventative maintenance jetting through the pipes just to start fresh and to give the pipes a completely clean line so there's no debris sitting around the sides of the pipe or anything like that. But again, condition of the pipe looks good and passes inspection, but it would just be recommended to just perform a preventative pipe jetting to get rid of all the debris that's starting to build up on the sides of the pipe.